Hey coders, today we will discuss about Python tips and tricks. So let's get started. First tip is about reversing the string. Here we have taken the string as Bob the coder. Now by method of slicing, we will slice the string at the end and then move it backwards. Now in the output, you can see the reverse string. Second tip uses the concept of repetition and concatenation. Here in this example, you can see that list of Tokyo is getting multiplied by 2, which means the list will contain two elements which will be both Tokyo. Similarly, we have done for Nairobi and Professor. And by plus operator, we are concatenating this list, and now in the output, you can see that there is a one list which is containing all the repetitive elements. Now let's assume you want to fetch all the unique values from a list as a list. We will use the same list as of previous example and apply the set on it to have unique values and then change the data type. We will use list function for this. Now in the output you can see that we have a unique value list. In the previous example, we have seen that list order was not restored. In this, we will use dictionary to do so. Here we are using from keys, which will fetch all the unique values and order will be maintained. Now we will convert the data type to list, and when we are printing the output, we can see that we are having a list with unique items and also the list order is maintained. This tip is going to be about map function. So here in this example, we can see that we have taken two lists and defined a simple function of sum which is returning the result. Here you can see that I have applied map function to the add function, and as argument I am passing list 1 and list 2. So what map function does? It takes every value of the iterable data type and gives as argument to the function, and it returns the results in the list. In the output of this function, we can see that we are having a list with the sum of list 1 and list 2 elements. Next step is about lambda functions. We can use lambda function when we want to write short functions and we don't want to give any name to it, like anonymous function. So here in this example, I have used lambda. Then I am giving arguments. You can give any number of arguments to lambda, but expression will be only one. Like here I have given a plus b, which is returning the sum of arguments. Now, using map function which we have discussed earlier, I am giving the arguments as list 1 and list 2. Here in the output, you can see that I am achieving the same result. So, we can have same results using lambda function also, short and crisp way. Many a times we want to convert our string as list, so we can do it using split function. In this example, I have taken a string as Bob loves Python. Now we will split it using space, and in output you can see the list which contains three elements. Now I will show you how to assign list values to variables at once. I am using the same list as of previous example. Now I am assigning it to x, y, z variable at once. And now if we see the output, x variable is Bob, y is loves, and z is Python. The next step is related to the old school problem, that is swapping two variables. In this example, we can see that now A is having value 25 and B is having 100. Now, if we assign like A, B equals to B comma A, the values will be swapped. Yes, that is easy. Now, if we print the values and see the output, A is 100 and B is 25. Last tip is about if else shortcut, and in this example you can see that I have taken result variable as pass, and in second line I am taking at last a condition in the list which says result equals to pass. Now this result this condition is true, So the value will be 1, and the list before that is having two elements, one of 0th index and second one is the first index. So whenever the condition is true, first index will be printed, and whenever it is false, 0th index will be printed. So we can use this as a shortcut of if else. If you just see the output has came as if condition result. So that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn Golang, we are having a playlist on it. I will mention that in description and also in I button. Till then, like, share, subscribe and let me know your views in comment section. Bye bye.